OSError, Errno 2, no such file or directory while using Python subprocess with command and arguments. I'm trying to run a program to make some system calls inside Python code using subprocess.call, which throws the following error. My actual Python code is as follows. Can I get some relevant advice on how to solve this?
Use shell equals true if you're passing a string to subprocess.call. From docs. If passing a single string, either shell must be true or else the string must simply name the program to be executed without specifying any arguments. Or
no such file or directory can be also raised if you are trying to put a file argument to open with double quotes. For example, in this case, you need to remove double quotes.
Can't upload, so I'll repost a JFS comment cause I think it should be more visible. At Agile, shell equals true is not required. Moreover, you should not use it unless it is necessary, see at valids comment. You should pass each command line argument as a separate list item instead. For example, use command arg1, arg2, instead of command arg1, arg2. -JFS March 3, 15 at 10:02.